Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some holiday items from Jane Iredale. I recently shared with you some new products from Jane Iredale, but these are even newer, even hotter. They are the holiday items. So if you'd like to see what holiday options are available from the brand Jane Iredale, then just keep watching. So first off, let me tell you what they are, and then we'll get into swatches and trying them. So last year they had a really fun advent calendar. This year it doesn't look like they have one, but they have some really cute gift sets. And again, most brands are not going for the standard red and green packaging. This year they're going for like violet and peach, which is also fun. So the first little gift set is this Dazzle and Shine 24 karat gold dust shimmer powder set. This is actually the first Jane Iredale product I ever tried. My grandmother actually got, I think, the gold one, like free with purchase at like Nordstrom or somewhere. She buys Clinique a lot, so whenever she has like the free samples, she usually gives them to me. And this was the first ever product that I tried from Jane Iredale. So in this little set, you get the gold dust, the champagne, and the bronze. So that's very exciting if you enjoy their kind of like gold pigments. They're like metallic pigments. They also have this Dazzle and Shine eyeshadow kit. And inside you have some really pretty like plum and brown shades. Next up, we have this Dazzle and Shine lip gloss kit. I just wore this lip gloss from Jane Iredale yesterday. I'm a big fan, but they come in different packaging. They are the standard lip gloss packaging instead of like the little squeezy tube that they used to come in. Honestly, I like the squeezy tube. It's portable, it's easy to get product out, so we'll see what I think of those. They also released this, which, it's a Magic Mitt makeup remover cloth. Now, I use a makeup eraser cloth every morning and every night. So I like the concept. I'm just not so sure if it's like gonna be a hot ticket item for a makeup brand. Like if you want to buy someone makeup from Jane Iredale, you're probably not going to buy like a makeup remover mitt, but that's just my opinion. It's soft. It isn't two-sided like a makeup eraser. It just feels like a terry cloth type of mitt. So, I mean, I'll definitely use it, but it's not super exciting in my opinion. And then the final gift option that I had to share with you is a makeup bag. Again, not super exciting in my opinion. It's pretty. It's the Dazzle and Shine cosmetic bag. It's just super metallic gold with a zipper closure. And that's it. Like no compartments, nothing inside. Honestly, I would prefer if they skipped on these two and brought the advent calendar back. I think advent calendars are so much fun. You get to try little sample sizes of things like this little lip balm that's been on my vanity since last December. So I definitely prefer makeup items to like skincare or bags or like accessories. But we will start off with the glosses and then we will give the eyeshadow and the gold dusts a try. All right, so their glosses are vegan, sensitivity tested, and non-comedogenic. So in here you get Lambrusco, Bubbly, and Cassis. So we have like a red shimmer, a white shimmer, and a purple shimmer. I mean, honestly, none of them really match my outfit today, but we'll at least swatch them for you. Doe Foot Wand. Yeah, they got away from their lemongrass scent. I wonder if it bothered too many people. This one's more of like a vanilla scent. I personally really love the lemongrass. Like they're not super smooth. They're kind of like thick. Next up, we have Bubbly, this white one, and it looks like it's got little bits of maybe gold glitter in it. This is the formula that I tried recently. This is their hyaluronic gloss, which I did really like. I just wished I had more shades. So now it looks like I have a few more shades to pick from. And then finally Cassis, and don't mind this nail, it broke literally right before I turned my camera on. So the clear ones are very, very subtle. Obviously you can see the pigment in this red one the best. The clear one is clear, and the purple does have just like a hint of a cool color to it. It's not overpowering. I'm actually going to put that one on because I am curious to see what it looks like on my lips, and it looks like that one also has like a little bit of a gold shimmer to it. Same as with the previous glosses that we tried, like these. You don't get much out on the wand. You have to dip over and over. Same with the other ones. It takes a while to get the product actually to cover the lips, but once it's on, it does feel like a combination between like a lip oil, a lip balm, and a lip gloss. I would say it's the least like a lip gloss. It's more like a balm or like an oil. But I do like the formula. I remember from last time that they were hydrating, very comfortable. So I do think this is a nice little kit. I just wish that one of them had a little bit more of a different pigment. I feel like these are kind of the same. This one's red, maybe give us like a bronze one or a nude one. But I do like these. I think they're a nice option. Next up, we have the shadow palette. I'm just gonna swatch a few of these here. It looks like we have like a nice nude. We have a nice like shimmer here, a nice brown, and let's try a purple. Oh, that's not actually a nude. It's more like a peach, copper, brown, and metallic purple. Ooh, okay. So I know these are good quality shadows. I've liked them in the past. So I'm just gonna like run through a quick look. Okay, so I like the look that I was able to create with this. I just wish there was a slightly lighter shade in here than this peachy one. I mean, it worked out, but I don't have anything to like highlight. So that leads me to the Gold Dust gift set. And I think I'm gonna go with champagne because I need something like bright. I know gold is yellow gold and bronze looks brown. Okay, champagne actually looks a bit more rose gold, but we will make it work. That added just the like pop of sparkle that I feel like this look needed. I think these definitely apply better with a mixing medium, a tacky base, a fixing spray. By themselves, they're a little bit flaky, a little bit dusty, but with like a mixing medium or a spray, they apply beautifully and nice and intense. So these are a great like shadow topper option, or if you just need to add like a little bit of sparkle to something, I think these are great and they're small. So let's do the quick run through of the gift items. I like this shadow palette. It has a nice mirror. I like the deep purples and deep browns. I think they're really flattering on blue-green eyes. I just wish there was a lighter tone in here, but it's really pretty, really portable. I will get a lot of use out of this one. The magic mitt, I'll give it a try. See what I think. Same with the cosmetic bag. It's pretty. I will use it. It just isn't a makeup set I would put on like a wish list. 24 karat gold dust shimmer powders I think are really pretty. They're a fun way to add like some sparkle, especially during the holiday season. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with these holiday sets from Jane Iredale. I wish they would bring back the advent calendar, but that's just me personally. I really enjoy unboxing them. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what Jane Iredale has as far as holiday gift sets. Let me know what you'll be purchasing down below. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.